Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or prevent suggestions from Apple to show in-app library on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Siri and Search. Then we scroll down to the section Suggestions from Apple and tap on Show in-app library. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And it says here Apple can make suggestions in apps on home screen and on lock screen, or when sharing, searching, or using lookup and keyboard. So if you don't want to show in-app library, you can switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.